We are glad to have you with us as we get set for the final match of the day. It is the men's compound gold medal match here in Lausanne, Switzerland, where my friend Pascal, I know, has a boat to catch pretty soon. So there's Bridge Deaton, who's hoping he can catch a wave and ride it to a gold medal. Bridger Deaton, 20 years old, from the United States, number 7 in the world and 5th in the World Cup rankings, has a pair of victories now to his credit this year over Rio Wild, which says a lot in and of itself. And in his first year out, he is in the World Cup gold medal match. But boy, oh boy, is he up against a tough competitor, tough challenger, and the number 1 compound archer in the world. It's the Admiral, Pierre-Julien Deloche of France, 32 years old, number 1 in the world, 3rd on the World Cup circuit, 7th year out on the international stage. And this will be the first meeting between these two archers, Pierre and Bridger. And obviously, being so close to France, he has a large cheering section here in the grandstands along Lake Geneva. In their semifinal matches, Bridger Deaton. Well, Bridger this morning defeated Sébastien Pinot of France, 145 to 144. So he already has one victory over a Frenchman. And then this afternoon, Bridger came from behind to defeat Rio Wild, 147 to 146. Meanwhile, Pierre-Julien Deloche, in his first match of the day, was down by 2 midway through the match, came back to beat India's Rajat Chauhan, 146 to 145. And then won a shoot-off with Peter Elzinga to get to this gold medal match. So both have been tested, to say the very least.
Technically, they are not so different. We can see the body set up quite straight, low, bow shoulder. Oh, nice shot, very nice.
Smack dab in the middle.
Release quite energetic. Arms move a bit, but the body stays still.
Ouais, ça c'est nickel.
Very good.
X à gauche, c'est nickel.
Not too much movement to reach the string, to anchor a little, but not too much. Quite similar. Draw length 29 inches for Pierre-Julien, 28 for the opponent, Bridger. So longer draw length than the previous match. You see the body move back when he releases. So he said almost move away from the screen.
Pierre has not done it the easy way so far today. He's had challenges in both of his matches thus far. And right now he has got a real challenge facing him in Bridger Deaton.
What a nice opening. To create the confidence, cannot do better. Nice group in that hand.
So Bridger Deaton.
A few things to say from the coach, because it's well introduced. Just keep going, carry on.
You're on fire, keep it up. Don't let that fire die down right now. Bridger Deaton is on a good run right now. He is on a hot streak, 3 straight 10s, and takes a 2-point lead, 30 to 28.
Yes.
Once again, though, remember, Pierre-Julien Deloche was down by 2 in his quarterfinal match, came back to win. Won a shoot-off with Peter Elzinga.
Very still, nothing move.
Let the equipment do the work.
So Pierre-Julien, who is behind, is shooting first, of course. It's always like this.
Ouais. Ça, c'était bien. Du reste, dans le
A
timing,
salvo
c'était
from
mieux.
the French naval officer.
Allez, ça y est.
Back to Deaton.
Wow. 4 arrows, well grouped.
Bridger Deaton.
Good alignment. Good look still. A bit slow, maybe. A bit long, yes.
4, 3.
Deloche
Yeah, too long.
with a 9.
Allez, plus.
This is a problem. When you are long, you want to force a bit on the ball, push too much, and when you push, you shoot up. Shoot high. 10.
Deaton seemed to hold for a long time too. Didn't hurt him though.
Yeah. Little right, but okay, still out of his group, but not so far.
5 straight 10s for Bridger Deaton, who now leads by 3.
Whoa.
And might lead by more after this next shot. And
Yeah.
he's drawing it back immediately. He's not waiting. He's in a rhythm. And he is feeling
Second
good.
perfect end. 60 out of 60.
Deaton feeling the rhythm all right. 6 straight 10s to start off this match. Remember, he had 7 straight 10s to start off that semifinal match.
Absolutely.
So Bridger Deaton coming out and stabbing that target with 6 straight 10s. Pinpoint precision, what accuracy. And Pierre-Julien Deloche has been off just a little bit with a couple of his shots, but finds himself trailing now by 4 points, 60 to 56.
He knows that now he has a tough job to do. He has just to be perfect all the way through.
Something akin to Hannibal crossing the Alps with those elephants. You got to go across the mountains. That's what Pierre-Julien Deloche has to do right now. He's got to scale the Alps to try to get back into this match. The question is, will Bridger Deaton let him back into this match?
He's a question. Will Bridger open the door or not?
Those blue glasses, helpful? I know a lot of the archers have gone to orange. Pierre seems to prefer the blue. He's not feeling very blue after that shot, but
we have to prepare archers to shoot in different environments. I don't
lighting
think it's
situations.
10 and again.
7 straight 10s. He's on a roll. Deloche still down by 4. Trying his best to get back into the match.
He's grouping again.
But his fate is in the hands of Bridger Deaton right now. Deaton delivers another 10, 8 in a row.
So he loads the arrow very fast to have time to prepare, get enough time.
Have enough time
It's a
on
good
that clock.
technique, very good.
And a little low by Pierre.
He handles the rhythm now, Bridger.
The lead is at 5.
He creates the rhythm of the match. Yeah.
Could go to 6.
no,
And there it is.
maybe.
Oh, is it outside or is it in? Tough to tell.
En finale.
Et à la jumelle, il semblerait que ce soit un 10. On va attendre la confirmation officielle de nos juges.
It was a 5-point lead before that shot. They put up a 10.
Yeah.
They
I think
put
so.
up the 10.
Should be a 10. Should be a 10.
Pascal, you think it's a 10?
I think, but sometimes we are confused with the angle of the camera.
It can be a little deceiving at times. We know that Pierre has 85 points. And very likely Bridger Deaton has 90, so it would be a 5-point advantage for Bridger Deaton. Not what you expect in a gold medal match, especially a gold medal match that features Pierre-Julien Deloche. But there you have it, a 90 to 85 lead after the first 3 ends. Deaton putting on a clinic right now.
It should be difficult for Pierre-Julien Deloche because when you have an opponent perfect over 3 ends, what to do?
All you can do is that.
Yeah.
Shoot your best shot. And then it's up to the gods.
And change the rhythm maybe.
And up to Bridger Deaton, who makes it 10 in a row. Could we see a perfect score in the gold medal match?
You see, he's already ready. He's creating the rhythm, so Pierre-Julien should change the rhythm. Can he? I don't know.
Change the pace?
Yeah.
Hope to get Deaton off his rhythm a little bit. Back-to-back 10s for Pierre. PJD. Deaton going for another 10. 11 in a row. 11 straight 10s from Bridger Deaton of the United States, who started off his World Cup season with 3 medals in Shanghai.
9, 9.
This hurts, for sure.
So a chance to build the lead and keep the streak going.
You saw the reaction.
Oh, and it ends. The streak ends. Unlucky number 12.
It's not a shooting machine. Oh, good.
He is human after all. And there's a smile on the face of Bridger Deaton.
It's over.
It was fun while it lasted. 11 straight 10s that helped him build a huge lead. It's still at 5. 114, 119. It could have been a 6-point lead had he been able to deliver that 12th straight 10. So Pierre-Julien Deloche behind the 8 ball right now, backed into a corner by Bridger Deaton. An almost impossible task right now, down by 5 with just 3 to shoot. So Pierre trying to pull off a miracle right here. Started off his season strong with the silver medal in Shanghai, then won the gold medal in Wrocław at stage 4. But boy, oh boy, does he have his hands full with Bridger Deaton. Pierre with a 10 to start off the 5th and final end, or what would appear to be the final end.
9.
And Deaton,
Second.
yeah, back-to-back 9s now. Of course, he's got some room to play with. Plenty of room to play with.
We saw him changing the side. We'll see next arrows from Bridger. 10 again.
Deloche delivers another 10.
His arm moves a lot, Pierre-Julien, upon release, but he should maintain the body now.
Bridger back in the center circle. And this could be the final shot of the outdoor season for Pierre-Julien Deloche. If it is, he wants to go out strong, and he does. Head high. So Pierre will finish with a score of 144. And there it is, a quick shot, and Bridger Deaton seeing no reason to take any more time than absolutely necessary. Gets off the shot, wraps up the end, wins the match, wins the gold medal. And what a huge victory for him in his young career, just really, really getting started on the World Cup circuit, the World Cup campaign. He's been around, has a lot of experience, but Bridger Deaton in the spotlight with the brilliant Swiss sun shining on him. And Bridger Deaton getting off to an amazing start as his first 11 shots found the center circle, found the 10 ring, 10 perfect shots in a row, almost perfect shots in a row to start off the match.